to fix Snapchat account compromised and locked. So guys, I know that many of you have been dealing with this type of problems. So if your account has been compromised and it has been unlocked for your safety, I will show you how to solve this. So we will want to go to the internet browser or Google Chrome, whatever you want. And if we go to the supportsnapchat.com site, we can see that we have some solutions here. So if your Snapchat account has been locked, they say that it may mean we've detected some activity from your account that we prohibit. So they already say us that never share your password with anyone. And then from here, they are telling us some reasons for that. So the first one, don't use a third-party app plugin or tweak to access Snapchat or Snapchat services. So make sure to uninstall that if your account has been temporarily locked, and they say to wait 24 hours and try logging in again. And then you must uninstall any third-party apps, plugins, and tweaks before trying to unlock your account, or your account may be permanently locked. So this is a really important note. So after that, sending spam, unsolicited snaps or messages in the chat, and other abusive behavior. This might be another reason. And if your account has been locked for an extended period of time, try unlocking your account by clicking right here. So click on this. I'll make sure to copy the link and put it in the description box below and in the first pinned comment. So after that, I will go back. And then the third option is adding too many friends when you haven't verified your email or phone number. So make sure to verify your email or phone number. This may be a reason. Or the fourth option, which I think is the most important, we've detected your account might be compromised and initiated a protective lock. So if you receive this message, you can click right here on this link. I will make sure to put this in the description box and in the first pinned comment to help you guys. So if we scroll down, we have to enter right here our username, our email, phone number, and what information should they know. And you have to provide them as much detail as possible. So after that, they will see your message and they will solve your problem, and you'll be able to log into your account back. So the most important thing is that you have to make sure that you don't have some third-party apps. You must uninstall those, and you have to update your app to the latest version. I know that you don't like Bitmoji 3D, but we have to live with it. And if you really don't like it, you can go to report a problem or having a suggestion in the settings of your app and say that you don't like Bitmoji 3D. And if there are many of you that don't like this 3D Bitmoji, I'm sure that they will get rid of this. Yeah, so these are my solutions. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel for more useful information. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.